How we add a source to our Zotero database. This assumes that you have Zotero downloaded, that you have an account, and that you have also downloaded the Zotero connector for the browser that you're using. So once all that is done, you're ready to go. So run a search wherever you do that. So I'm here in Google Scholar, run a search on the anthropology of video games, and I can see a giant result list. When Zotero senses a lot of things on the page, it'll put up this folder icon, and then it'll allow you, if you click on that, it'll allow you to choose which ones that you really want. So I want that one and this one, let's say. And then you say OK. It'll bring up this window that allows you to choose what folder to put it in if you have folders set up. If not, it'll go into the unfoldered folder. And then you can either say enter or done. And that is it. That's all you need. So if you go into Zotero now, I can see here's highlighted the article that I just added. It knows it's a journal article. It's got the title, author, etc. here. So that is easy peasy. If we then go to the library catalog, I can do the same thing. And see what comes up in my search. Again, it's seeing multiple results, so it gives me that folder. I can either do what I did before and click through that little folder, or I can open up a record for an item. And at this stage, I'm still in library catalog, it recognizes that this, it thinks it's a book, which is fantastic because this is something you'll encounter sometimes. It'll misconstrue what an item is. So right now this believes at this point that it's a book, but if I get the PDF of the article, I'm just going to click through until I can see the article to read. It now knows that it's a journal article. So the closer you get to the source, in this case the publisher's website, the better your odds of getting correct information. But even if you didn't get correct information, it's still editable. So I'm going to choose the folder, put it in Zotero, and find it right here. So it's highlighted right here. All I have to do if it messes up is make sure that I go in and correct this item type. So this is a journal article, and then just make sure that the information I need is here. So if it thinks it's a book, it may bring over the wrong information because it'll be looking for book information. So you might have to edit that a tiny bit. But if you do that now, you'll never have to fix it again, and your outputs, those citations and bibliographies, will always be correct. So enjoy that. And one more pro tip, if you've hung out with me this long, change it to sentence case beside the title, and it will then convert to the right capitalization for whatever style you're using. Zotero can apparently convert from sentence case to title case, but not the other way around. Since we use APA in anthropology, you really want to make sure that you have it in sentence case because that's what APA will ultimately want. So you can do this manually, but you don't have to. Just go here and make sure it's on sentence case. So enjoy. And again, if you need help with any of this stuff, come see your friendly local librarian. Thanks very much.